Let's do typography. First of all, I write the letter easy and then right click and create outline. Copy it with Alt and increase its opacity and change into stroke the Shift X shortcut. And now it's done. Now let's change the exactly I wanted and horizontal align left. Now 2 or 3 pt is enough. Now adjust the size and now let's copy another and align it and change into 2 pt and stroke and done. It's 2 pt. Now again and 1 pt. It's enough. Now it's very more realistic and I think I just done lots of things. So 50 pt is enough. I think 55 it's more than enough and 42 and 48 and it's 48. So now let's change into 40. Now again copy it and change its opacity 24 and take all and horizontal and I left. Now it's more realistic. So 4 is best and 3 is best and 2 it's best and I think 2 it's best as well. 48, 40 and 24. I think it's normal. 19 is enough and 30 is enough as well and 40 is enough. Now done and again It's enough. Now, done. 45, it's always enough. And now, now it's very, very realistic and much more easier. Now, Control G, align it. Also, now let's choose this to font and copy it and paste in front. And now right click and transform and now let's do this. Copy it, paste in front. Now group all, Control G for group and Control G for group as well. And align it. No, I think I just wrongly assumed because it's control copy and paste in front and transform and reflect. Now group all, And now is much more realistic and done. Control G, and I think increase the opacity because I think 40 is enough. So kindly and done.